Hello viewers, welcome to SV Technology. In this video, I am going to show how to install MySQL latest version in Windows 10. First, open Google Chrome or any browser. Just go to search bar and type MySQL download. Okay, so click on that. The first link which you are seeing here, MySQL downloads, click on that. So here you can find official website of mysql.com. In that you can click on my downloads or go to down. Here you can see MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on that. Okay, here you will find various links for various operating systems and various platforms. Here you can click MySQL installer for Windows. Click on Windows, MySQL installer for Windows. Okay, here you will find the download links of MSI installer links of MySQL for Windows 86 bit and 32-bit. So here download this one, second one. So here it will ask for login, but do not log in. Here you can find no thanks, just start my download. Click on this. So here the software is downloading. It may take few seconds. Please do wait. Yes, done. Download is completed. Go to download folder, your download folder in system. Go to downloads. You can find this software link. Please double click on that. So it is preparing to install the software MySQL installer. It may take few seconds. Please do wait. Yeah, MS SQL installer 1.6 is and here you will get a dialog box like this. So here you can go server only, but I want to show everything clearly, so I am going with custom settings. Next, here you will find three options. In that you click on first option, MySQL server 8.0. Latest version is this one. Please click on this arrow mark. Yes. Next, applications, SQL Workbench you need, latest version, and MySQL shell, command prompt shell you need. So click on this one. So router and documentation we will install in future as per our usage. So click on next. So here it is showing the location where you want to install MySQL software. So I am keeping default, which is program files in C drive. Next, yes. So it is ready to install and showing that execute. So please do click on execute. So it will take few minutes based on your processor speed. It will take few minutes. Yeah, here installing is completed. Click on next and next. Here you will have some configurations. Please check this configuration. Port number should be 3306 default. That should be there. And next and next. Here you have to give the password. This password you have, with this password only you have to access MySQL server. So I am giving root password as per my wish, and the password should be strong. I have given my password and click on check. So it may take a few seconds to check whether you have given a proper password or not. Okay, after entering the password, click on check, click on next, and execute. This is the final step where we execute everything. After this step, I will show whether the application is installed in my laptop or not also. So click on finish. Here go to search bar and click on MySQL command line client. So click on that. It will ask the password. Give the password which you have given in last step. Okay, and click enter. So here you can see MySQL is installed in your laptop successfully, and I'll run 1 2 commands also. Please check. So suppose I want to see what are the databases we have in this SQL version. So the command is show databases and colon. So here by default I have 4 databases. So if I want to create new databases, I can create and move on. So in next class onwards, I will give so many SQL queries and I will execute here, and I'll teach you total SQL course in this platform to you. So please do subscribe to my channel and support me.